Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to activate performance mode on Windows 10 so you can unlock maximum system performance when you need extra power. Step 1. Right-click on the Start button located at the bottom left of your screen. This opens a quick access menu that lets you manage advanced system tools. Step 2. Click on Terminal, Admin, to open the command line tool with administrator privileges. This is required because system-level power plans cannot be enabled without admin access. Step 3. Paste the command from the video description into the terminal window. This command unlocks the hidden Ultimate Performance Power Plan in Windows 10. Step 4. Press Enter on your keyboard to run the command. Once executed, Windows will add the new performance mode to your power plan list. Step 5. Click on the Search button on the taskbar. This allows you to quickly find classic system tools. Step 6. Type Control Panel and click on Control Panel from the results. The Control Panel contains advanced hardware and power management settings. Step 7. Click on Hardware and Sound to access device and power-related options. This section is where Windows groups power configuration tools. Step 8. Click on Power Options or choose a power plan. This opens the list of available power modes on your PC. Step 9. Click on Show Additional Power Plans to reveal hidden options. This step is necessary to see the Ultimate Performance Plan. Step 10. Click on Ultimate Performance Power Plan to activate it. This mode prioritizes speed and responsiveness by using more system resources. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.